Okay. So this here is the last seacock, and I don't even know where to begin with this shit. I'd get out the big guns, but I don't have any electricity because thanks, Marina. You knew somebody was coming to jump on the boat before Christmas. Don't really have much of an excuse apart from making money off my ass. One-handed jolly. Notch number 2. Thank you. See, no. Oh my god, it got fucking soaked. Great. I swear, if all my tools get trashed, heads will roll. People on the back of my fucking head on the way out. Oh, this is going to be so fucking fun. Oh, come on. My arm was stronger when I was 15. Fucking yeah. See what I'll do? Really, is just open that and shove fucking power drill straight through it and just literally just cut it all out. We have progress. Oh, it's the wrong fucking bit, but progress still the same. And yes, I know, metal on rubber. But it's not like I'm keeping this ever again. At least we've got a nice warm sun. Oh Jesus! You see, I don't want to pull out that because I want that flat bit there. Well, I might have to. My seacock needs a bit of modifying. There's of course that one up there as well. But yeah, once I was on that one, sorted out that one. Done something with that one. That's above the waterline, doesn't really matter much. Only when I steer. But yeah. Now I'm rambling because I don't want to make another bloody short. I hate shorts. It's like people are just going to pass them anyway. It's like, here's a random video for you. I didn't want it. Well, that person has a view anyway, which doesn't mean shit, but hey, you have a view. Great. So I have 900 people that watched a video of a Henry Hoover bubbling away in the rain, working, and I know 99.9% of them had zero interest in watching it. Fucking shorts. Anyway, I'm gonna crack on. Or crackheads.